Hello students. So today I will start innings 9.4. So before starting 9.4, we have to know the difference between three terms, that is cost price, selling price and market price. So I will give you example and try to understand from the example. Suppose this is our local shop owner. See, this shop owners buys the product from factory. He never make, or sometimes he does not make the product by himself. So he will buy the products from a factory. So at what price he will buy the products from factory? So that will be our cost price. CP means cost price. Now after buying the products, he will sell the products with a profit because he have to pay the rent for the shop and labor for labor charges. So at what price the this shopkeeper or shop owner sell the product, that will be called market price. But now whenever you go to a shop, or suppose I am giving you example, if you go to Vishal market, then that Vishal market give you some discount, or whenever you go for shopping you will do some negotiation with the shopkeeper. So after negotiation he will reduce the price, or sometimes he will give you some discount. So after giving discount he will sell the product, that will be your selling price. So here selling price, SP simply means at what price the customer buys the product from the shop owner. So that is the this is the main difference between cost price, market price and selling price. And market price will be selling price minus discount, because the shopkeeper always try to give discount. He rarely increase the price. So always he gives some discounts. So and this formula we have to apply. Discount equal to market price minus selling price, or selling price equal to market price minus discount. And other formula for selling price and cost price will be remains same with Innings 9.3. Now I will show you how to solve questions. So now you take question number 1. Now in question number 1, selling price is given 5,225 and discount is 5%. So find its market price. So we have to find market price. So in question number 1, the market price and cost price will be same, because we have in the question other informations are not given. So we can calculate directly cost price. So cost price and market price will be same. So use the cost price formula. This formula already I have given you in Innings 9.3. So SP multiply 100 divided by 100 minus discount. Discount, in case of discount, sign will be minus, or and in case of profit, sign will be plus. So 5 2 5 multiply 100 and 100. Discount percent how much? 5. So if you calculate this one, so it will be 5225 multiply 100. So divide by 100 minus 5, how much it will be? 95. So if you do the calculation, you will get 5500. That means 5500. This is your answer if you do the calculation. Now in question number 2, so market price of a product is given 800 and the shopkeeper allowed discount 10%. See, after allowing 10% discount, still the shopkeeper is making 20% profit. So first, so here we have to calculate selling price, CP. So at first, since market price is given, so we can calculate selling price. What is the selling price? Selling price formula, just now I have written MP minus discount. So market price is how much? 800 and discount. See, discount is given in percentage. So this percentage we have to calculate amount. So 10% means divide by 100. This discount is giving on market price. So Here 800 will be multiplied. This way. Now we cancel 0 0, it will be 80. 800 minus 80, it will be 720. Yes, 720. Now we can calculate CP. So what is the CP formula? Cost price. Now the shopkeeper is making 20% profit. So CP 100 plus profit percent multiply SP multiply 100. Substitute the values here. 720. SP is 720. Multiply 100. Profit he is 20. $720 multiply 100 by 120. 126 are 70, 720, so it will be 600. Cost price will be 600. Next, I will do question number 4, 6, and 8. Now, question number 4. What price should the shopkeeper mark on an article costing him? Costing him means cost price. Gain 20% after allowing a discount of 10%. So here mark on, that means market price we have to calculate. So before calculating market price, so remember the formula for market price. Market price is always calculated on selling price. So at first we have to calculate the selling price using this information. So selling price formula 100 CP and 100. So what data we will gain 20% profit. So gain. Read the question again. What price should a shopkeeper mark on an article costing him rupees 1500 to gain 20%? Gain will be 20%. Current gone. Now current gone. I am using emergency line. That's why I am unable to make videos during last week. So SP formula will be here. Gain. Gain means plus. Profit. This formula. So substitute the values here. 100. Profit means profit and gain same. Profit and gain means same. So profit is how much? 20. So 20. And cost price is 1500. Cancel 0 0. So it will be 120 multiply 15. 15 12 is 180. 1 more 0, 1800. So our selling price is 1800. Now we can calculate market price with a discount 10%. Now use market price formula. I have already written market price. Formula will be wait. Oh, we know that selling price formula is market price minus discount. From here we can calculate market price. Market price will be selling price plus discount. Transfer discount toward left hand side, so minus become plus. So it will be 1800. Wait. Now I will explain what is happening in the question. Just now we have calculated selling price. Selling price is 1800. So I have already explained you. Selling price means at what price the customer will buy the product. That means in 1800. So after allowing this selling price. At what price shopkeeper am gonna costing him 1500 to gain 20% discount? Gain 20% after allowing a 10% discount. So now here CP cost price discount of 10%. So actually this question is little bit different. The shopkeeper is allowing 10% discount. Read the question again. After the last line of the question. After allowing a discount of 10%. That means this will be the shopkeeper brought the product at 1800 and discount of 10%. Oh, sorry. Same. Yes, correct. Now the shopkeeper want to sell the product at 1800 rupees to the customer and he is giving 10% discount. See, he is giving 10% discount on 1800 rupees. So what will be the selling price after giving 10% discount? This thing we have to calculate. So selling price SP after allowing. I will explain again. Just now we got selling price is 1800. Okay. Now the shopkeeper is giving 10% discount. 10%. Allowing 10% discount. So what will be the SP? Use SP formula 100. In case of discount it will be minus 10 multiply 1800 by 100. So it will be cancel 00. It will be 90 multiplied 18. It will be 1620. That is your answer. This question is little bit hard to understand. Now I am doing question number 6. A manufacturing company shoe costs 800 rupees and they sell it retailer to a profit of 20%. See, company is selling the shoe at a 20% profit. So what will be the cost price for company? Because the company is taking 20% profit. So it will be CP 100 plus 20. In case of profit 100 plus by 100. This is the company CP, or you can write SP also. At what price company is selling the product? Selling price, company selling price, and CP cost price will be for the shopkeeper. So both are set. 120. Now here cancel 00. Multiply 8. 96. See, the company is selling the product at 960 rupees and CP means the shopkeeper is buying or retailer. Retailer is buying the product at 960 rupees and how much profit he want to make? 50%. Retailer want to make 50% profit again. 50%. So it will be retailer market price 960. Again he is writing the price 50% more. So 50% of 960. So what will be 960 plus 50%. Percent means divide by 100. 960. Calculate here how much you will get. So 960 plus 100. 50 multiply 960. Cancel 00. 96 5 480. 1440. And again, now for the shopkeeper, for the customer, he is allowing a 15% discount. Now customer part, customer selling price. From the market price, he is allowing a discount of 15%. The discount, so market price will be 1440. How much discount is allowing? 15%. So 15 by 100. Cancel 0, it will be 1440. So 15 multiply 144 divided by 10, it will be 216 minus 1224. Your answer will be 1224. This way you have to calculate 1224. See, this chapter is little bit difficult to understand. So again, you see this video 2 to 3 times so that you can able to understand what is happening in this question: market price, cost price, and selling price.